Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 9 to 13 inches. Where? Sanilac, Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, and Macomb counties. When? From 4 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details. Rain is expected to change over to snow during the early to mid-morning hours on Wednesday, with snow then increasing in coverage. Prolonged snowfall will then persist through the remainder of the day, before tapering off throughout Thursday morning. Snowfall rates on the order of a half inch to 3/4 of an inch are expected, with possible rates up to an inch per hour at times. Gusty winds from the north also may contribute to blowing snow and reductions to visibility starting Wednesday afternoon. Significant impacts to travel are expected.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that the weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous washes and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Hingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. The current time p.m. Mount Pleasant was 17 degrees under cloudy skies. Now here is your local forecast. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows near 100 below. Light winds. Sunday.